Hey guys, welcome again, once again. Thank you for subscribing, everyone, and watching my YouTube channel. So today, just a sort of the informations that I am sharing this here to appreciate one of my subscriber, and he is willing to learn also and watching all of my videos, and even he is sending me message to appreciate my dedications to upload and share the videos, sharing my ideas and knowledge about my works. So I've been working for 23 years now in abroad, overseas Filipino warriors. So I'm from Philippines, and now I'm working here in UAE. So this guy, Mr. Atip, seeking advice QA/QC engineering role. So he sent me message or email way back March 20, 2025. Okay, and then as you can read here in this message, he is graduated or electrical engineering from India, and he is interested to venture QA/QC engineering role and this kind of field, and he is working as a charge hand in Qatar as a start of his journey for overseas. Okay, and I'm appreciate this person, this kind of uh, what we call this journey, and aiming to proceed their uh, kinds of roles that motivate themselves and eagerness to learn something and new uh, knowledge. So this is how I appreciated this person, and to those who knew and graduated recently and you are aiming to proceed for a QA/QC inspection activities, or either construction activities, engineering and pre-commissioning, or even commissioning. So all of my video presentation that is related all of these activities: electrical, instrument, telecom, and fire and gas as well, and even safety. Okay, so this is what I am responding to him. So hi Atif, have a good day. Thanks for like and subscribing my channel. With regards to your questions, becoming QA/QC industry, let's get involved in your colleagues to start working as an inspector. Then after that, study ISO standard related QA/QC. So in order to gain this experience, you are from the construction side, you must learn something from the quality side. Of course, you are involving the quality based on that activities. The construction team, they are the one offering for inspections those equipments, materials already at site. So if you are installing the equipment, so you are ready to all of the connection is completed, equipment installed, landing termination installed, testing cables, that's to be offered to the quality team. So QA/QC department are involved in these kinds of activities to verify your works, and this is very crucial because you need to know the specifications, you know the standards, do you know the procedures of your company. So each company, guys, Aramco, you are in PDO, you are in the UAE, ADNOC, INOC, Qatar Petroleum, they have a procedure and standard. But basically, they are looking for the international standard. So American standard, British standard, but this is combinations of that kind of standard. Okay, that's coming from the international standard, because as we all know, oil and gas industry starts in US, start in UK. Okay, We always know about this kind of informations. All right. So this is what I am telling to him, that you need to involve this kind of information. You need to know how to read the drawing. You need to know how to start the inspections, the procedures. Of course, you are in the construction field. You know already some of this information, but in the details related quality activities, you must learn something new, because construction is different way than the quality side. Quality is focusing that quality, good quality, okay, of our activities. Right? So this is how I appreciate this guy, Mr. Atif, and this is what he responded to me way back recently, May 23, 2025. Dear sir, I hope you're doing well. As advised me to understand the drawing and get to know inspectors and colleagues, I followed your advice. Your videos had been incredibly helpful understanding my work in the substation. Your videos has enabled me to connect dots which couldn't do before. So this kind of message that can be reflecting to my side, and I am appreciating this kind of words that sending me message. That's why I'm sharing here in my YouTube channel. So I appreciate Mr. Atip. And for those who are sending me an email requesting like some of the documents, uh, I I have a video that I am sharing also some of the documents that I have shared to others. Just the same like what Mr. Atip, how he sent me message in the beginning up to now. He is appreciating, and it's like sending appreciating you, not like sir, I saw your video. Can you share me your PDF file? Wow, it's like it's like you're getting something, nah? So you just only, sir, give me your PDF file. Is that okay? So just like a simple words, that's what you can appreciate, nah? So this is how he sent me message. That's why I'm appreciating this kind of words. And since the beginning, how he sent message to me through my email, it's very nice and politely and honoring, and giving me like appreciations that what I did in my YouTube channel, that he get something and learn something. Okay. And also again, as understanding, I came across your videos. You mentioned books, provide details explanation about them, interesting purchasing your books. Okay. So anyway, I have my ebooks. As you can see, all you can watch my some of the videos that I'm sharing, that ebooks that I prepared. So that's some of the informations which is gain knowledge, and can be combinations with your experiences throughout your journey. And that's a good ebooks as well, if you are reading those ebooks that based on the actual experiences and also applying in your works activities. So that's the important thing, guys. Sharing is a good thing, but you need to study as well. You need to read more documents. If you are interested to learn more, study more, make research and connections and contacts to learn more and more. Knowledge is good. Continue learning as well. All right, and thank you guys, and hopefully you are getting more knowledge in my YouTube presentations and all the videos that I presented. So thank you, and Mr. Atif, good luck in your journey towards to your what is your aiming right now, and you are proceeding as a QAQC. Hopefully that can be fulfilled, and slowly learning your journey and make a contact connections, what kinds of uh, activities that you are involving right now. All right, and bye bye.